In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bid on Upwork, a popular platform for freelancers and clients to connect. Whether you're new to freelancing or just looking to streamline your bidding process, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the platform successfully. Firstly, to get started, you'll want to head over to the Upwork homepage. Once you're there, locate the navigation bar at the top of the page. You'll see an option labeled Find Work. Go ahead and click on that, which will take you to where you can start searching for jobs. With the Find Work page open, you can now search for a job that matches your skills and interests. Use specific keywords related to your expertise to narrow down the options. Once you find a job that looks appealing, click on the job listing to go into more detail. Now, with the job details open, take the time to read through the job summary. This is crucial as it outlines the client's requirements and expectations. If this looks like a good fit for your skills, you have two main options. You can save the job for later if you want to review more opportunities, or if you're ready to proceed, click on Apply Now. Once you hit Apply Now, you'll be taken to the proposal page. Here, make sure to reread the job details to ensure you understand everything clearly and align your proposal accordingly. You will then arrive at a critical aspect of the application, deciding how you want to be paid. Upwork offers flexible payment terms. You can choose to receive payment by milestones, which is great for larger projects that can be broken down into parts. For this example, let's select by project for a straightforward approach. Next, you need to think about how much you are going to bid for the project. Input the desired amount you wish to be paid. Be competitive, but also ensure it reflects your skills and the job requirements. You'll also need to specify the duration, how long the project might take. Consider the complexity and your availability while providing an estimation. After that, it's time to craft your cover letter. This is your opportunity to make a compelling case for why you're the best fit for the job. Highlight relevant experiences and skills. If applicable, you can add attachments, such as a portfolio or previous work samples, which can help demonstrate your capabilities and give the client confidence in your abilities. Now, consider adding a portfolio project to your proposal. Click on Add a Portfolio Project and select a highlight from your previous work that aligns with the job requirements. Finally, review everything one last time and click Submit Proposal. Your proposal is now in the hands of the client, and it's just a matter of waiting for a response. Keep checking back for feedback or potential interviews. Good luck with your freelancing journey on Upwork.